For over 100 years, we've valued innovative ideas and believed in the power of collaboration. It's in our DNA. Well, now there's a place where ideas can be explored, tested, and brought to life. The CommBank Innovation Lab. We created the lab to give our customers and our people access to potentially game-changing ideas and products in a hands-on way. The future of banking is through technology and innovative ideas. Our Innovation Lab brings ideas and our commitment to customers together. Here, data is tangible, bringing you new perspectives on the future. You can walk through merchant and consumer retail experiences using virtual reality technology, or interact with our latest products designed with you in mind. Spaces have been designed to enable productive project incubation. But why? Because we believe innovation and creativity drive human progress, and at the heart of innovation is interaction. That's where you come in. A new journey to future success will begin right here, the CommBank Innovation Lab.